Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera, finished in a beautiful seal gray metallic. As you can see, this car is in excellent shape. All of the door panels inside, very nice shape. Close that cover. Beautiful graphite gray leather seats. See, the center console generally is usually really scratched up. See, this is in good shape. All of the buttons, dashboard, excellent shape. Back seats as well, very nice. Non-smoking car, no strange odors. 3-spoke leather steering wheel caps, graphite gray floor mats, advanced Technic package, beautiful black top. Driver's side too, very nice as well. Steering wheel. This car has about 80,000 miles, I believe. See the driver's seat in excellent shape as well. We will start it up for you real quick. 911s have significantly appreciated. All right, if you're looking for a really clean 911 that you can enjoy on the weekends or even drive daily, give us a call, 858-382-1319. Find the video, pictures, Carfax report on our website at iconiccoach.com. We can help ship this car all over the country, even internationally if need be. So it'd be an excellent choice to get this ceramic coated or paint protection film. 911s are appreciating every day. Don't miss out on this one. Pretty inexpensive. You won't have to spend $150,000. Yeah, give us a call, 858-382-1319. Don't forget to like and follow our channel. Thank you so much for watching.